Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write leave application to the principal for fever. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First, start with the addressee. Here for example, I am writing to the principal. In the next line, write the name of your school. In the next line, write the address of your school. In the next line, towards the left hand side corner, you need to mention the date on which you are submitting the application. In the next line, you need to mention the subject of your application. Here, for example, I am writing leave application for leave due to fever. Next, we will start with the body of our application, where we are going to mention all the details of our leave application. Let's start. Respected sir, I, then write your name, is a student of class, write the class in which you are studying currently of your school. I am writing to inform you that I have been diagnosed with a high fever since yesterday. I have been advised by my doctor to take complete rest and medications for at least 3 days. Due to my current health condition. I cannot attend school for mention the number of days for which you are going to remain absent. From, mention the starting date of your leave to the ending date of your leave. Kindly grant me medical leave for the aforementioned days and I will be grateful for your understanding and support. I have just written an example. You can modify the informations and other details according to you. In the next line, towards the left hand side corner, write thanking you. In the next line, write yours sincerely, then your name, class, roll number and section.